Hi everyone, my name is Marques Woodson and welcome to my course, JavaScript Generators and Iterators. I am a staff software engineer at Project 44 in Chicago. As JavaScript users, we use iteration almost every day. Understanding iterators and how they work is essential to being an efficient developer. In this course, we are going to learn all about JavaScript's built-in as well as custom iterators and generator functions. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to create a custom iterator, old and new built-in iterators, how to pause and continue function execution with generator functions, and simplifying async logic with cancelable async flows. By the end of this course, you'll know what a built-in iterable is and why a for-of loop works the way that it does. You'll understand how to create an iterator and why you'd want to use custom iterators in your code. Finally, you'll learn all about generator functions and how to pause and continue your function using an iterator. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic JavaScript data structures and loops. Also, having some experience using the command line to run Node scripts would be helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about iterators with the JavaScript Generators and Iterators course at Pluralsight.